Hi everyone, my name is Hezron, this is my partner Yashini and we are from SMK Bukit Baru.
For this Petrosains show competition 2019, we are going to present about a story entitled 1800 Before Christ. Hezron, can you take some A4 paper from the printer?
Okay, how many
About 4.
About 4. Okay. This is the printer, right, Vera? Time travel machine. Should I press?
Don't disturb Hezron.
I think I should.
Don't! What are you doing?
I'm still going to press. It's written there, time travel machine.
Hezron, why you go and disturb the thing?
Got sound? It's written there something. Congratulations. It says congratulations, you will be time traveled to the 1800 BC.
Then?
There's a note here. It's written that you have 15 minutes to explore the 1800 BC world. Where we are now?
I think so we have sent back to the past. Hezron, where's the paper?
Where Oh, it's written there. You have 15 minutes to explore this world.
What world is this?
There it's written, remember this paper when I pressed the printer?
Yeah. Wow. Nice plant. Hezron! There are zombies!
Yeah?
There are zombies there!
We
What are we supposed to do to kill them?
I think we're supposed to kill it, right?
Yeah, what to do?
I think... In the olden days, they used catapult to kill enemies. I think we can build one.
But how to do that?
Let's do it.
To do this catapult?
Catapult physics is basically the use of stored energy to hurl a projectile without the use of an explosive. The three primary energy storage mechanisms are tension, torsion, and gravity. Two, three. Hi Ashini, how's your exploration going on?
I feel so bored, Ron.
Bored?
I miss playing the racing car with my brother. Now I'm stuck here.
I think I know how to build a racing car but without a remote control.
Really?
Yeah.
How are you gonna build the car?
I think we can use this balloon from last week's party.
Wow, you got bling.
Yeah, I didn't wash my pants actually. In this experiment, you have
to use one balloon, plastic bottle, scissors, straw, bottle cap, and a rubber band.
Firstly, to make your power cut,
you have to cut both sides, 4 holes in this bottle.
Secondly,
put a hole in the bottle caps, like this.
Insert
your bottle cap inside a piece of straw. And put it in your bottle. Do it also at the front one. After that, cut a small hole in front here
Take your balloon.
and put it inside a straw and take your rubber band and tie it. After that, you cut it. And here you will have your straw which you can blow. After you have tested it out, put your straw from up, entering from the front hole and go to the mouth of the bottle like this. And you are ready to go. To make your car go forward, firstly you should blow your balloon and close the straw, use your thumb. Ready, set, go!
Remember, if your balloon come out from the hole,
You can use the plasticine and place it under here to keep it safe. Like this. Let's give it one more try. Close it with your thumb and ready, set.
When you inflate a balloon, it stores potential energy in the form of stretched rubber and the compressed air inside. When you release the balloon, this energy is converted to kinetic energy. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When the air out of the nozzle, the car moves forward.
Yoshini, you are not supposed to eat or drink in this time of 15 minutes. Do you forget or oh my gosh.
I'm thirsty. I want this.
You can't. The rule is no eating is allowed or drinking in these 15 minutes.
But I want.
Okay, come, let's go explore. Ooh, nice tea bags. Where do you get this from?
From my house.
Ooh, so you're trying to cheat, right? But good idea.
What?
I got nice experiments to play with these tea bags.
What's that?
Let's try it out.
Okay.
In this experiment, we have to have candle, tea bags that Yarshini tried to cheat, and a bowl. Experiment, we must take out the tea bags from the packet. As you can see, I already took it out. Then, separate the two ends to take out the tea from inside the tea bag. Smells so nice.
If you got more, then you can pick it out because this experiment is very interesting to see. I think tea is okay. Lighting the top of the tea bag cylinder hits the air inside cylinder. The air molecules start to move more quickly and spread out to take up more space. As the air molecules spread out, the air inside the cylinder becomes less dense. Warm, less dense air rises above cool, dense air. The edge of the tea bag is light and does not require much force to lift. As the warm, less dense air rises, it has enough force to lift the edge of the tea bag.
Hazron, only 2 minutes left. How we gonna go back to our world?
Wait, the letter is written here that you have 15 minutes to explore the 1800 world. Oh, only one who pressed the button will be back in the present time.
What?
I just saw this note here.
Why? Then you the one press the button, right? So you the one.
I am going to go back and
Then me?
you're going to stay at home.
Which home?
This home. Bye.
Good.
We are going to make a boat using only plasticine. The shape of the clay increase the water displacement and the buoyant force, so the clay will float with
It's
the
so
weight.
simple and easy. Let's give it a try.
Yashini, I think it's time for me to say goodbye, and I need to go back now. So, goodbye.
I'm not
Goodbye.
happy with you.
Don't say that. Don't not be sad. Okay. Okay, let me deliver you some money so that you won't feel sad at home. Okay, let me put some money there, pass to you, okay? Catch her, don't let it fall. Okay, enjoy your money. Bye. Thank you for watching our video.
We hope you enjoyed our story. Thank you.